Hi, welcome to High Dream Tutorials. I am chemistry faculty, Barki sir. You already learned periodic classification of elements in 10th standard. It is very difficult to remember the elements. The first 10 elements are hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. Right? How can you remember these? So, with the help of a best sentence, hi, he likes beautiful birds. Come near our friendly nest. Right? See here. So hi. So H hydrogen and he, that means helium. You know. So likes beautiful B. Okay. Then birds B. Then come, that is C for carbon, and N for nitrogen, that is nest. Okay. Our friendly nest. See, that means N stands for nitrogen, O stands for oxygen, F stands for fluorine, and N stands for, so Ne stands for what? Neon. These are the symbols, right? So you can easily remember, you can recall 2 or 3 times, definitely get 10 elements easy. Next 10 elements can be learn more about in the next session. Thank you.